Good morning, all my friends out there, Canvas and Instructure users. Welcome to the Friday 5, your weekly Instructure update show. My name is Marcus Painter, and I'm the Senior Manager of Customer Advocacy here at Instructure. So, pretty simple stuff here, folks. This is not rocket science. 5 things, get it? 5. And I'm going to do it in 5 minutes or less. So let's get it going. The suit at the top, they said, look, you got 5 minutes. That's all you get. So I got to come in here right out of the gate. Right out of the gate here, we've got message students who and observers. All right. Everybody knows about message students who, but this is the next level up. As most of you wonderful humans were enjoying a very short but very deserved summer respite, my fellow nerds here at Instructure were continuing their amazing work to make Canvas even better. Back in June, one awesome improvement was made to one of my favorite parts of Canvas, Message Students Who. Not only is it an amazingly powerful tool, all on its own, but now you can include anyone who has been labeled as an observer. And those messages will go to the students, message students who, and their observers. Sometimes those observers are parents and guardians. Sometimes they're additional teacher supports within the building. This newish element makes your communication home even better, more customizable, and more personal for all of your stakeholders. Scan the QR code on the screen to get the screencast on how to make that happen. Boom, there's one. Woo! Okay, next up, The Fine Art of Assessment by Dr. Damien Bebel. I had an amazing experience at ISTE this year. There are a couple of sessions that I was able to facilitate along with Dr. Damien. Check out these sessions on the Instructure Study Hall. The QR codes are right there for you. There's 2 parts. There's part 1 and part 2. I had the honor to work with him and a number of educators from across the country during a session we recorded at ISTE this summer. That experience is titled The Fine Art of Assessment. And then, of course, we've got part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is the highly anticipated follow-up interview and is now live. You can scan the QR codes right there on the screen. To watch parts 1 and 2, those will take you straight to the study hall. You won't regret it. And if you watch and share some of your takeaways on social media, there might be a little Canvas Casters prize pack going out to a lucky person who's kind of sharing some takeaways from those sessions. Part 1 is the session itself with all of us participating and doing the activity along with Dr. Damien. Part 2 is a deep dive interview with Dr. Damien Bebel. And it's really outstanding, exciting. It'll blow your mind. It'll basically ruin everything you ever thought about how to use art along with sort of heat checks and types of assessment. It was really eye-opening for me. Next up is a pretty amazing concept that we've got going on here at Instructure, our social media and our social engagement team. Listen, take a look. You can see exactly what I mean. The fact that I am, frankly, of an age, okay? I'm not quite hip to the TikTok. However, I do usually see some of the Tiki-Talkies come from TikTok over to the good old Instagram. So our social team has been working really hard to advance our TikTok Canvas tips for teachers. So if you use TikTok, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. We want you to share your expertise, share your great ideas about how to use Canvas, how to leverage it with students of all ages, pre-K all the way through higher ed. If you're a TikTok user, or if you're not and you're like, okay, somebody just pushed me off the edge, I'll give it a shot. I'll jump in. If you're in that place, just make your video and then mention at Instructure_official and at Canvas Casters, and then we will reshare it like it's hot. so we can share your shine to a larger audience out there, and everybody gets to learn. All right, I'm already over on time. Oh man, the people at the top are going to be really mad. Instructure Community, when's the last time you finished? We're live, people. When is the last time you visited the Instructure Community? The Instructure Community is the Disney World of Instructure support, tutorials, and screencasts. Don't go to Google or YouTube and spend hours searching and searching and searching when you can go straight to the source of information for Canvas, Master Connect, Impact, and Elevate. Get the information straight from the panda's mouth. You see what I did there, people? Not the horse's mouth, the panda, because it's a, look it up. So definitely check it out. You want to scan that QR code. That will take you to the community blog post. That is kind of like a jump start to get you onboarded, shows you how to log in if you've never been before, gives you all the information you would ever want to know about how to engage and be active on the Instructure community site. Next, and I think this is the last one if I can count to 5, social post of the week. It's simple. It's a post that I picked out because it's awesome. This is Ryan Champney at ChampTech17. He says, "Thank you, Canvas casters, for the scholarship opportunity to complete this amazing program, the Canvas Certified Educator Program. Thank you to at Emily Heller Tech for giving me the info to apply. Thank you to Casey Testerman and Dave for EdTech for convincing me to do it and get our team on board. And finally, thank you to Canvas and its facilitators. The Canvas Certified Educator Program is amazing, and this tweet was amazing, and it made my week. It was really great stuff. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you for giving us the shout out, and thanks to everyone involved in making that happen for you and your teachers." Whew. Where are we at on time? Where are we at on time? I'm 2 minutes over. Thank you. See you next week on the Friday 5 by Instructure.